are you looking for something interesting, something beautiful, something thoda festive? Then this is the right place for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Hello September 1.0, all presented by the Flower Edit.
कलेक्शन में फेस्टिव वेयर, ब्यूटीफुल चनिया चोली ऑप्शंस, समथिंग इन वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सस्टेनेबल फैब्रिक के ऑप्शंस हैं, अलॉन्ग विथ वेस्टर्न एथनिक, सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्रोशे collection. And to check out more, you know what you have to do, swipe left.
Brand name is Ayudra. So we basically deal in sustainable. हम लोग का ब्रांड सस्टेनेबल ब्रांड है. लाइक हम लोग के पास 40+ फैब्रिक्स ऐसे हैं जो नेचुरल सेलुलोसिक प्लांट बेस्ड फैब्रिक्स हैं. लाइक हम लोग एलोवेरा फाइबर से एलोवेरा फैब्रिक, bamboo fabric, banana fabric. So I have lots more fabrically. These all are dresses. So these all are eco-printed dresses, natural dyed. ये real pigment leaves की real pigment से बना हुआ dresses है. Like yellow. Like this is a dress, formal dress.
Beautiful.
See.
So
Wrap dress.
nowhere chemical dyes have been used. ये पूरा eco-friendly dyes हैं. Look at that. These are eucalyptus.
Yes, these
leaves.
are from eucalyptus leaves, real pigment of eucalyptus leaves, front and back. So ये वाला जो है लाइक सेलिब्रिटी ने लिया है. ये पूरा ऑनियन पील से बना हुआ ड्रेस है जो कि क्रॉप टॉप है, नीचे पैंट्स है.
Okay.
ये मेरा लेटेस्ट कलेक्शन है फॉर मेंस वेयर. ये फैब्रिक है हैम्प बैम्बू से बना हुआ और ये मेंस के लिए है. लेटेस्ट एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी है.
संतुक, हेलो मैम.
Hi.
यस, सो लेट अस चेक आउट देयर कलेक्शन. उनके पास बहुत सुंदर सेट ऑप्शंस हैं. We have beautiful blouses, jewelry. Look at that, full black corset blouse with bani dupatta. Very pretty. Okay. Dual tone में if you want something, then this is a very beautiful piece with bani dupatta. Look at that. And if you want something traditional, तो वो भी है उनके पास. Okay, very pretty. They have phone lanyards as well. Beautiful. Jewelry में भी उनके पास बहुत सारे options हैं. Moving on to some blouse options. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. With beautiful back detailing. Something different if you want to wear, then you can go for these pieces. Look at that. Spaghetti में भी उनके पास options हैं. पूरा lumpy blouse. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. This is brand Kanisha Design. Hello.
Hi. And this
Yes.
time Umal Chanderi માં લઈ આવી છું different designs.
Okay. Something that ma'am is wearing.
Yes.
उसमें color options मिल जाएंगे आपको.
Designs मिल जाएगी आपको अलग-अलग.
Very pretty.
Something like this.
Beautiful.
Then થોડા heavy માં પણ છે, silk માં જોઈતા હોય. ઉમલ ચંદેરી તો options available છે. Something like this.
Beautiful.
Then something like this. આમાં દુપટ્ટો છે આખો ગજી સિલ્ક નો.
Okay.
Then gown આખું
Beautiful.
પાર્ટી વેર છે with દુપટ્ટા છે.
Okay.
Then something in tissue.
Okay.
In sharara. Some kurta pants.
Okay. Very pretty.
Something casuals also.
Look at that. Beautiful options. सारे festive, wedding, casual as well.
Yes. Something in tissue.
So this is brand Chili Dhaga. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
So we are Ahmedabad based. We have lots of handmade crochet products. These are our necklaces for festive, especially for Navratri. You can see these are the chokers here. In brass we have.
All right.
Yeah, these are the chokers. Then you can see the long necklaces. Then these are the parandas.
Wow. Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have potli bags here.
Okay. So these are again very versatile. You can use them not just for Navratri but also for festives, weddings. Beautiful. They have a lot of option here. Very pretty. Okay.
Then we have other products also. These are crochet gajras
Okay.
that we have. Then anklets.
Okay.
Then we have this kapoordani.
Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
Yeah. Then we have airpod cases, pumpkin keychains.
Lovely.
Then we have potli bags, other potli bags.
This is brand Bijo. Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone. My name is Dipali. My brand name is Bijo.
Okay.
Today we are exhibiting at Aparna's Alibag Gallery.
Okay.
Today we have festival collection in pure Chanderi handwork suits.
Okay. लवली।
And
सो
we
अगर
have
आपको
also
फेस्टिव चाहिए,
fusion anarkalis for Navratri.
फ्यूजन अनारकली फॉर
Yes.
नवरात्रि, लवली।
Yeah.
Beautiful
This is
concept.
also corset anarkali
वाओ, ओके।
along with blouses.
So they have blouses
Yeah.
as well. Look at that. Okay.
We have also Ajrak blouses, plain blouses for Navratri and festive wear.
Okay. All right.
We also have halter neck blouses
Lovely. Look
as
at
well
that.
as granny blouses.
Very pretty. So denim spaghettis,
Yeah.
you're going to find everything.
Hi, brand name is Shloka Threads,
Okay.
and we do have variety of collections. This you can consider for festive wear. This is a hand embroidered coat
Okay.
set.
All right.
Yes, so we do have color options as well. This is in mull cotton. Okay, and we do have some of the coat sets which is hand embroidered in pure cotton with the pockets for the comfort.
Okay.
And we do have 3-piece suits as well. So here it is, and it is hand embroidered.
Okay.
We do have chicken curry 3-piece suit as well.
Okay. Lovely. They also have some Navratri collection जो हम देख सकते हैं.
Yes. This is our Navratri collection as well. And we do have some of the Lenka cholis.
So this is brand Tashi's Couture. Only chaniya options as well. Beautiful. Look at that. Multi color में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, then this is the right brand to look out for. Tashi's Couture. अगर दुपट्टा के साथ कॉन्ट्रास्ट दुपट्टा में कुछ चाहिए आपको, तो you can take that also. अगर प्लेन में विद ब्यूटीफुल बॉर्डर ऑप्शंस चाहिए,
बनारसी बॉर्डर एंड बनारसी ब्लाउजेस अवेलेबल है।
बनारसी बॉर्डर है और उनके पास बनारसी ब्लाउजेस भी अवेलेबल है। वाइट में अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो ऑप्शन भी आपको मिल जाने वाला है। वेरी प्रिटी। यहाँ पे आपको दुपट्टा के भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे। सो लेट मी शो यू फ्यू ऑफ द ऑप्शंस। दीज आर ऑल द ऑप्शंस फॉर दुपट्टाज। वेरी प्रिटी कलर्स, ब्यूटिफुल। सो 20% ऑफ ऑन दिस एंटायर रैक। ब्यूटिफुल। पूरे जो भी हैं आपको दिख रहे हैं उस पर 20% ऑफ मिल जाएगा।